Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, I am cooking through some subscription boxes. Today we're going to be getting into the best kept secrets in skincare, and that's when I review my Beautyfix by Dermstore box, as well as I have the next installment of the Sudsy box. If you guys want to hear about my two favorite skincare boxes, keep on watching. Hey guys, how is everybody today? I have been filming some videos. Got off work and I just felt like I was in the mood to get these videos going, so I got, sitting down and I've got all my boxes around me and we're going to get to it. Today we're going to be getting into the Beautyfix by Dermstore. For any of you guys who don't know, Dermstore is an online realtor. I can speak, I swear. Realtor. Retailer. I swear I can think. They specialize in skincare. They do some makeup, some beauty tools, so on and so forth. And they do have a subscription box, and it's called Beautyfix. Beautyfix is $25 a month. You get mostly samples in here, some full size, usually at least one full size a month. They're hit and miss. Sometimes they're really, really great. Sometimes they're amazing, and sometimes they're like, eh. So let's see. I've historically liked this box, so I don't want to, drag on it. But sometimes, they don't always do as great. I do love their saying though, we're here for the unabashed love of skin, and this is what your box looks like. You got kind of this black confetti, which gets absolutely everywhere, and then your products inside. They always do have one of these little booklets. It did look perfect when I got it till I went out to take pictures this weekend. In here, it does have a code. It's BFWELL for 20% off, and we're going to be using the hashtag BeautyFixBox. And it does give you some info on the stuff inside of it. And this was not a bad month as far as what we got. And this is beauty starts from within this month. So we're talking about, really getting to the core. And we're going to start off with something I didn't know how it really fit into the whole theme, but I really was happy to get it. And this is from Slep, and it's one of these little scrunchies. And you know what, guys? These remind me of back in the 80s. Yes, I was old enough to know that. And yes, I lived through the entire decade and then some. These little, I can't remember, scrunchies, I think they were called. They're like a miniature version of that. And this is, something where you can actually wear it as like a bracelet. And it doesn't cut off circulation to your wrist. And you have it for when you want to go and put your hair up. So I like this. And I like the pattern of it too. So I was happy to get that. Let's go with the first full-sized item, and that's from Hum. And this is a whole bottle. Yes, not a sample. A whole bottle of the Glow Sweet Glow Daily Supplements. And this is to hydrate from the skin from the inside out. This has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E. And these, I've actually tried a couple of them. They have a really yummy taste and smell. Like complete vitamin C. I'm actually going to take one for today. I haven't taken one yet today. I love these little gummy vitamins. Oh, you know what? I'm not unhappy. These generally do go for like $25. $25. There's 20 calories, 4 carbs, 2 sugars in them, and 90 milligrams of vitamin C, some 15 milligrams of vitamin E, hyaluronic acid is 120, and amino fruit is 5 grams. So, and the serving size is 2 gummies, which is what you're supposed to take every day. I usually only take 1. And there's 30 in the container. So, not bad. Next, we got from Dermalogica, which is a great brand. Their Bio-C Eye Serum. And we've been getting a lot of eye serums lately, and I'm excited to try this one. This is a brightening vitamin C eye serum for especially that under eye area. So, definitely a good product. Next, we've got from Ren. We've got the Perfect Canvas. And I think this is going to be something we get from Trendwood. I think we're getting the full size of this in volume 2, and this is their Perfect Canvas Jelly Oil Cleanser. So I love cleansers, and I love trying new ones, especially from really good brands. This one doesn't have that much of a smell, but I'm excited to try this. Love cleansers. All right, next we've got from Yonka. I think that's what it's called, Yonka. This is a Hydrate #1 mask. It says, bring natural ingredients into the routine with this soothing rose oil, sandalwood, and aloe infused mask. I like masks. This is a hydration mask, which I think goes along with moisturizer. So This I'm not as excited to try, only because we got so many moisturizers and subscription boxes. I wish they'd lean more towards serums and all these moisturizers. But I'll give it a try. The next thing is from Elemis. This is the Peptide Adaptive Day Cream. I have tried this guy in the past, and it's really, really good. It's good under makeup, too. And it says, get oil production under control with this lightweight skin strengthening day cream. And for me, being an oily skin chick, this is the stuff. Love this stuff. And the last product we got is from Tula, and that means we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 this month, which actually is less than we usually get. Usually we get like 9 or 10 or even times 12. So they definitely brought it down, but we did get some bigger samples, especially, you know, the Hum, and we got some really decent products as far as brands. And from Tula, this is their face serum. This is their probiotic skincare, and let's see what this one has to say. It says, target dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and dull skin to reveal a vibrant, youthful glow. I need to stop trying to speak tonight because I'm not doing well with it. But yeah, so this is their illuminating serum. This is a really good spot corrector. I have tried this in the past, and I do like this, and it's a huge sample of it too. It's what, a couple mLs? I don't see a size on here, but yeah, it's full too as well. So yeah, there's definitely a lot of product in here. Half an ounce, 15 mLs, and it's good for 12 months. So let's kind of review. Huge thing of vitamins, A+, serum, A+, eye cream, A+, peptide day cream, A+. This mask, if you're new though, I can definitely see you guys liking this. There's cleanser, hair tie. We've got a whole beauty routine in one box for 25 bucks, and which is why I think it's the best kept skincare secret going. So if you guys want to try it, I will leave their info down in my box. I don't get anything from them. They don't even know I'm alive. So by all means, if you use my code, don't use my code. Use my link, don't use my link. It doesn't matter to me. Same thing with my other videos. I put my Ipsy and BoxyCharm thing down there. All I get is points like any other charmer. I don't have any affiliate links for anything. Nothing is sponsored on my channel. But if you'd like to try them out, that's Beautyfix. And the other one I want to talk about was Sudsyclub. Sudsyclub, disclaimer, I do get this as PR. I love Heidi. She is the owner of Sudsyclub, and she is a doll. She started this brand for just the best, like, bougie, natural soap, and I love it. And you know what? I have had nothing but great things to say about this box. So here's the February little card. I was out again taking pictures, and I tend to get things messed up when I do that. We've got the Sweet Silk Spice Bar, the Cocoa Mint Silk Bar, the Lavender Dreams Bar, and the Dead Sea Bath Salts. So 4 products. And as usual, she kills it. So first of all, we always get like an additional product, and this is her bath salts. And guys, these smell like heaven. Oh, they smell. They don't even smell like salt. They smell like flowers, and not like rose, like a pretty flower. I've used these once, and they leave the water so nice. So you know what? I really like it, and the packaging, like, really is just gorgeous. It's simple but perfect. And then we've got these 3 bars this month. And by the way, the guys, I forgot to mention, this is a $25, I believe, a month box. It comes bi-monthly, and you do always get 3 bars and then 1 other product. We've gotten like a lavender roll, we've gotten lip glosses, we've gotten a bag to help, you know, put your soaps in to keep it from sticking, as well as to lather it up more. We've gotten exfoliator bricks, so she does really nice little add-ons as well. This month was the soaps. So here are the ones that we got. So we've got the Lavender Dream, and these soaps are so pretty. They've got that lavender on the sides of them, and oh my god, this smells like straight up lavender. And everything she makes, by the way, has no chemicals, no artificial fragrances, no artificial coloring. Everything is vegan, cruelty-free, and these have cleared up my eczema almost completely. They leave my skin so soft and supple, and I can't get my husband his hands off them either. He steals them all the time. I have to like allocate them now and like hide them. So these are great. Oh, this lavender one is killing me. By the way, these also double as a home fragrance. If you leave this out, like in your bathroom, I usually leave mine up on the shelf, at least 1 or 2 of them, and they just leave my whole bathroom smelling like them. Oh, they're amazing. So the second one we've gotten before, and I think I got this in my first box. This is the Cocoa Mint Bar. Guys, oh, this one. It's mint and cocoa, and look at the bar itself. Like, it is gorgeous. Oh. This is one of my absolute ride or die. This and the Orange Bliss. But I think it's going to have a run for its money this month because this one, I cannot wait to get into this. Oh, I have to look what's in here because this is like fall. This reminds me of like straight up fall yumminess. The Sweet Silk is scented with cassia and sweet orange essential oils. It's got cinnamon and rose Carling clay and the Tuscan silk. And oh my God, it is just, oh, I smell that cinnamon and orange. Like, I didn't know cinnamon and orange could smell so good together, but now I'm obsessed with that combination. So you know what, guys, this is my favorite subscription box. I love these soaps. I love the way they smell. They're, like I said, they double as home fragrance for me. I always get a fun product to go with them for 25 bucks. I'm all in every day of the week, even if I didn't get it for PR. So I highly suggest you guys check that out. I do have a code lifestyle20. You do get 20% off your first order. I do not get anything as far as an affiliate link or money or anything like that. I get the box as PR because I adore it and I do photography for them and stuff like that. But I would recommend this whether she sent it to me or not. It's a fantastic box. I love it so much and I can't say enough. So that's how we're going to land on this one. I'm going to put everything back in the box nicely so I don't break everything like I usually do. If you guys like what I did, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. I hope you guys do try out some of these boxes. If you do end up trying them out, leave me a comment down below. Let me know which ones you tried out and tell me what you think of them. Don't hold back too, guys. We are a positive community of input. Nobody is right. Nobody is wrong. I like to hear everybody's thoughts because that's how we decide what's worth our money and what's not worth our money, right? So also, if you guys like the Beautyfix, put that in there. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do lots of unboxings. I have different commentary. I'm a little bit crazy. I try not to flail my arms around because, I'm Italian. I have to stop that. And follow me on my blog. It's lifestyle.ella on Instagram. We are over 3,000 strong. We are a positive community of wonderful ladies who all give input, tips, tricks, talk about products, talk about subscription boxes, and have fun doing it. We always support each other. There is no negativity at all on my blog, and I love every minute of it. So I want to thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.